What is up you guys, it is Janita here aka Jay and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing an eyeshadow look using this Revolution palette, which is one of my faves, called Kiss of Fire. Today we're going with these colors, which is that light purple there, dark purple, and the aqua green color. So make sure you watch my last week's video, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Yeah, we're gonna prime our eyelid first. I'm sure you all have watched me quite a bit. I am just going to quickly prime my lid off camera. So just finished priming my eyelid with Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion, Caffeine. Going in with that dark purple right there. That one, starting off in the corner. Little circles into your crease. Blend. Just gonna use my tape as well. So the reason why I put tape on is so there's a clean line right there. Okay, I love this purple. Now we're going in with this light purple up here, and we're using this at the top of your eyes and the bottom of your eyelid. Okay, because that's a shimmery color, I might just use my hands and my fingers, sorry. Just because you can see the pigments a lot better if you use your finger. How gorgeous is that purple, by the way? Okay, and I'm gonna do the exact same with the other side of the eye. My eyes are now completely purple. I am gonna go in with that darker purple one more time. That purple. Just go over the top, just so that brighter purple is not overpowering it. What we're gonna do with that green is go under the eyes just as a liner. So we're taking this one off. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. And now we're going in with one of these flat brushes using that green bluey color, just going under the eyes. Going with the green all the way. Now on the other side, and I'm back. So finished the other side of the eye, and now we're gonna put a liner on. We're using the Lakme Iconic Kajal, very finely and thinly on top of your eyelid. Go in straight with that big bang, bad girl, Big Bang Theory I was gonna say, bad girl bang for your lashes. So this look is inspired by the Met Gala. They had a theme called camp. Camp basically means, I had to Google this by the way, camp basically means extravagant and big. So it's like a American word, I guess, I don't know, because camp in New Zealand means going outdoors, putting a tent up and camping. Basically, I'll finish doing my eyelashes and I'll be back. No falsies, just mascara. So just wanted to show you the difference between putting the Bad Girl Bang mascara on and compared to my normal lashes. So this is why I don't usually wear falsies, is because I feel like this is long enough, so I don't really need anything. So this is a finished eye look. Okay, so now we're going to finish off the rest of the face. Just need some water. Going in with my favorite blush from Revlon, which is like ancient, but I have it. Just gonna blend that in. Oh, forgot to do my brows. Alright, so we're going in with that highlighter again. My camera cut off because the memory was full. So now we're going to use this translucent powder to kind of dim down this highlighter so it doesn't look over the top, but also to prevent your skin from oiling too much. Yes, I'm just going to line my lips using the NYX Plum Prune pencil. And now we're going in with Bobbi Brown in the color Crushed. Go in with that prep and prime. And this is the finished look. So if you like this video, make sure to click that subscribe button, make sure to click the like button, and I'll see you next week. Let's keep it short, sweet and simple. Jay out.